So let me give an illustration on a research study on ethical resilience in leadership. So where patchwork would be concerned, then this is how a sentence would be. Kumar in 2014 discusses ethical challenges in research. The Bible also talks about perseverance. Patterson in 2003 mentions virtues. Therefore, leaders face many dilemmas. Do you see it? This is a mere list. The voice is passive. It is simply collecting from different people and sources and putting together and making perhaps even a false connection. My analysis is actually absent. Let us look at an example 2, which is now how I illustrate in terms of how to use it or how I've been able to use it. This is now what we call synthesis. And synthesis is what is appropriate. So my illustration in synthesis, and at the same time, how I have done scriptural integration. So while methodological frameworks are cataloged on ethical challenges as per Kumar in 2014, the concept of sustained ethical commitment, which is what I term as ethical resilience, requires a deeper virtue-based foundation. In synthesizing Patterson 2003 model of love and integrating scripture, Hebrews 12:1 in the New King James Version reminds us, run with endurance the race set before us. This reveals that ethical leadership transcends crisis management. It is a cultivated capacity for steadfast moral action and rooted character. Notice any difference? In the second option, you had my voice. I introduced a term, ethical resilience. I synthesized different sources and I made an original claim about the nature of leadership. That is what is the invitation for you today, to move from patchwork to independent synthesis. As part of further learning, you may take on, still in the area of developing your scholarly voice, being able to learn more about grammatical agency. In grammatical agency, just to give you a hint, the APA in 2020 recommends that you use an active voice for the sake of clarity. There are other voices. There's a hesitant and passive style and voice. There's a scholarly and authoritative voice, which is even better. So in closing up, I have introduced to you developing your scholarly voice. I developed my voice in the study as ethical resilience as I was doing my study on leadership. And I was able to synthesize work from different people without being a patchwork, and also to integrate the Bible through the book of Hebrews. So the way this transforms your work is that then it gives you a voice that you can be able to engage with the wider academic writing community. You stand out distinctly, authentic, and also confident in your voice. Thus, it is an advancement that enables me and you to be able to engage with the broader global conversation. So in closing, I challenge you, define your scholarly voice. It is your unique academic identity. And at the same time, it allows you to be part of the global congregation of graduate academic writers. Thank you for your time, and may God bless you.